Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Global markets are witnessing a rally. We've also seen 3 consecutive sessions of net buying by the FIIs in the domestic equities and a forecast from the IMD predicting above normal rainfall in June, all of which are expected to positively influence the market sentiment and may lead to a strong opening for the equity benchmark indices. US consumer confidence saw an unexpectedly strong improvement and treasury yields pulled back, particularly the 30-year bond, which fell below 5% following reports that Japan plans to scale back its long-term bond issuance, all of which had a positive impact on the global market. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 28th May 2025, Nifty Index opened on a negative note and witnessed highly volatile swings. The session turned into a roller coaster ride with sharp and fast moves on both the sides during the first half. In the latter half, the index gradually drifted lower in a slow and steady manner, eventually closing with losses of around 170 points near 24,820. On the daily frame, Nifty has formed a bearish candle with wicks on either side, indicating selling pressure at higher levels, while buying interest remains intact at the lower levels. India VIX was up by around 3% to 18.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.82. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,300 to 25,300 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 348 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 10,105 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 31%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 24,900 for an up move towards 25,200. Else, weakness could be seen towards 24,700 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for an up move towards 56,000 marks, while downside support can be seen at 55,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Concord, Jio Financial, RBL Bank, Granules, Bandhan Bank, Tata Chemicals and Astral, while some weakness could be seen in Ultratech Cement, Naukri, ITC, Indigo, Grasim, Tata Motors and NTPC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.